Great evening. I wanted to bless you guys with some sound therapy, sound healing, whatever you like to call it. And I'm just going to play my bowls on tonight. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your chakras. Now, a lot of people don't realize it, but your chakras are everything that embodies you, from the way you respond to people, from the way you respond to relationships, from the way that you feel in relationships, in different situations. All of that has something to do with the chakras, and the chakras being imbalanced or balanced. And tonight, well, you'll see this in the daytime, but this is nighttime, and this is what I do when I'm spiritually overwhelmed, or I feel like I'm in a fog, or trying to figure out what it is I should be doing at this time. Spiritually, my gifts have been so heightened, and I've been so enlightened on what my major purpose is here, and it's been a blessing. I've been transforming so many people to the point that it just makes me cry tears of joy, because it's just a lot to know and see that God has appointed you for such a time as this. Not only that, but allowed you to go through everything that you went through for such a time as this, to help transform and help other people to see their potential and see their gifts and see their strengths and what they have inside of them to move forward, to walk in their divine purpose. So I come down here, and as a matter of fact, my 11-year-old, she just came from down here. So she comes down and she does her own thing. She usually takes this middle bowl, because this is the size bowl that she's going to have. We're still waiting for it to come. So she uses this one because this is the one she will be getting comfortable with. But she has her singing bowl, her chakra cards, and all her little stuff set up over there. That's her meditation area. And I'll give her usually 2 of these, or the little ones, and put them over there, and we'll vibe together, as you seen earlier yesterday, or depending on whatever day this goes out. You probably don't get this till probably Monday, Sunday or Monday. But so tonight I'm just going to play my bowls, because this is something that I do when I just need to make sure that my energy stays up and not goes low. So I just come down here and I play the bowls. So yeah, and it helps my chakras to get back in balance. If I have had a session with a client, I do Skype sessions, I do WhatsApp sessions, Instagram sessions, where I can see my client that I've shipped a meditation set off to, something like that. And we sit one-on-one, and I show them every step and what they need to do, and I help them at a distance. So if you are at a distance, you can definitely reach out to me, and I can help you even at a distance to help you with beginning meditation, because that is the basis of life, period. It is the basis of life, grounding your subconscious, which is a creation of all the experiences you had ever since you were little, when your paradigm was created between the age of like 1 and 4 years old. So yeah, I'm just gonna play. I love you guys, so just enjoy. That is a third eye. This here is the throat, the heart, solar plex, crown, Have a great evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was my session to just ground my energy and to get it where I like it to be, where I know I feel good. The energy feels good. This vibration, I feel it in the floor. I feel it all through my body, and this does something to me. And I love teaching people about the sound healing, sound vibration, and how to ground yourself. It's a beautiful thing. I hope you guys have an awesome day. And remember, you're the most important person in your life, and without you, nothing exists. Stick to your script because you are the best at it. Later, Gators.